Okay, so we're going to check out Phantom Crypto today, one of our favorite layer 1 infrastructure projects. We can see on the weekly market cap we're down a little bit, Bitcoin's down 13%, but we're chilling at 40.1k at the moment. So let's take a little refresh. What price of Bitcoin is still 40.1k. So let's take a look at what's going on in the market right now. We've got quite a lot of fear, extreme fear. We're just sitting really fearful, and also we're still sitting quite strongly in a Bitcoin season at the moment. Am I Phantom on Bullish still for 2022? Well, I really am, and I can tell you why. Firstly, we've got some really high TVL still, the total value lock, through all liquidity staking protocols, borrowing, play to earn, and also dApps that are running on this particular blockchain mainnet. We can see all of these different ones are built on Phantom, and there's so many different cross-chain and interoperable blockchains that are also working on this, whether it's DeFi, automated market makers, or borrowing, liquidity protocols. It's really looking bullish. So Phantom today is $1.15, 2.9 billion market cap, rank 46. And this is one of the coins that did over 10,000% year to date already, so they've done extremely good. And in terms of where we are at the moment, well, it looks like we're at a key level of support. If you can see, we had this almost double top shape, which it was probably going to play out quite bearishly. We had the all-time high of $3.54, so we have corrected over 50% now. And I think if we look ahead, year 2021, that provided a great return for us. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green months. So far, 2022 has just consistently been red for Phantom. So are we finally in this beautiful supply phase where we're looking at accumulation, ready for the spring to the upside, aka the impulse for this particular project? Well, this is what I see right now, guys. I see us back into this strong reaccumulation zone. And why do I think it's so strong? Well, firstly, this area here of $1.14 is extremely important, and we're just sitting above that support level at the moment. And that was support that was written in from a long time ago on the 3rd of December 2021. Now we fell back into our strong reaccumulation range. The RSI was around 30, and then we got a bounce to the resistance at 164. Now we've capitulated back into our strong reaccumulation range. So I'm very surely certain, I'm literally 95% sure that I think this is going to play out as a double bottom reversal pattern, maybe something a little bit like this. We come up to the resistance, maybe we retest here before seeing continuation to the upside. Of course, this all depends on the rest of the market, but I do see this particular area as a strong reaccumulation undervaluation zone. If we hop over to the 4-hour time frame, we can see again oversold on the RSI. You can just see that here, oversold, sitting at 30, we get the bounce up to 42. So this particular level is always really good, just above $1 for Phantom to be picking up more. So what's happened is we can see putting through lower highs, lower lows. So we're getting the swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. We've got another swing high. So maybe we either get a swing low or we're going to get a bounce to the upside. I'd ideally like us to see Phantom move up to its previous swing low, which would be around $1.23. But if we do get the continuation to the upside, I mean, it could take some time because we are stuck in this kind of falling wedge sort of style pattern at the moment. If we do break out the falling wedge, this is where we can start to see the double bottom reversal pattern play out, and it will look extremely good. So we're a little underextended on our 20-day moving average over here. We're still very far away from the bull market support band, and I think that's important to look at. So lots of space underneath this bull market support band, and every time we're usually under it, over here, we usually do come back to retest it at some point. So only when you're really overextended on this bull market support band do you want to consider really taking those profits. So when it's vice versa, let's consider accumulating more. So we've got this falling wedge here, we've got the potential double bottom reversal pattern. I feel bullish right now for Phantom, and I think this is a good setup for Phantom cryptocurrency as well. Guys, I do just want to say, if you're new here, make sure you jump into the Discord channel down below. We've got about 200 people in there at the moment. Also want to just give a shout out to this crypto Telegram right here. They do giveaways. They also do trade signals on long and short positioning, so lots of people are winning there. I've tried it myself and it is pretty good, so check that Telegram out, also in the description. And yeah, this is it. So what could possibly happen in the short term? Well, if we bring up our fib extension on this particular swing high down to this market cycle swing bottom and assume it's the bottom for this particular market cycle, well, we're looking at the next sort of area being the 0.236 fib extension of $1.27, moving forward to $0.382 and also $1.54, sorry, $1.42 right there below. So yeah, we've got lots of resistance on the way, but I think we're going to make our way slowly but surely to 164, and if we do on the daily time frame, it's going to look like a really strong double bottom bullish reversal pattern, which happens after a downtrend. Maybe we're going to start seeing those big uptrends, because if you look at the macro scale, the impulse swing high, you can see that we're just between that 0.618 and that 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, golden pocket zone, and this is why I'm bullish. So I'm going to buy some Phantom today. Got to do it because I can't resist. When I see this, I'm sticking to, you know, my trade analysis. I'm sticking to my chart and what it tells me, the data that we've got here. I believe personally this is a good time to buy some Phantom, so I'm going to do that. You don't have to follow me. I'm just a guy in crypto on YouTube, but if you do want to buy Phantom today, down in the description below I will leave a link for you to head over to eToro Exchange and grab some. So if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, comment, subscribe. See you soon.